Chapter 3 Big Idea Question. What can you observe about soil? Bits of rock can become part of soil. Soil is a layer of loose material that covers much of the land on Earth's surface. How soil is formed. Bits of rock, air, and water are parts of soil. They are non-living. The small bits of rock in soil come from the weathering of bigger rocks. Humus is part of soil too. Humus is usually dark and crumbly. Humus is bits of living things, such as plants and animals, that have died and decayed. Humus mixes with bits of rock, water, and air. Soil forms when these parts mix. The top layer of this soil has a lot of humus. Air and water fill spaces in the soil. Worms and decaying or rotting leaves can enrich the soil. Properties of soil. There are different kinds of soil. Each kind has different properties. Color and texture are two properties of soil. Soil that has a lot of clay is sticky when it is wet. Sandy soil. This soil has a lot of sand in it. It feels like a handful of sugar. It is usually light brown. Clay soil. This soil has a lot of clay in it. It feels soft and sticky. It is often reddish brown. Humus soil. This soil has a lot of humus in it. It feels soft and crumbly. It is usually dark brown. People use soil. People use soil for many things. People use soil to grow plants for food. Some kinds of soil are better for growing food than others. Clay soil holds too much water for most plants. It is not good for growing most food. Some plants can grow in sandy soil, but sandy soil is not good for growing most food. It does not hold enough water. This soil has a lot of humus. It is good for growing plants. It holds the right amount of water for most plants. People use soil to make pottery, tiles, and china. Building materials are made from soil too. Bricks are made from clay. Concrete is made with sand. People also use soil for building. Soil is the firm base under many homes and roads. Conclusion. Earth's rocks and soil. Rocks have properties such as size, shape, color, texture, and layers. People use rocks in many ways. Weathering changes rocks. Wind, water, and ice can wear down rocks or break them apart. Water can dissolve all or parts of rocks. Soil is made up of bits of rock, air, water, and humus. People use soil in many ways. People grow food in soil. They build homes and roads on soil. They make building materials from soil.